That's okay?
Yeah.
Martini. This is great. You should put it up somewhere. Don't waste it.
Oh, look.
What?
Look.
Your clock?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Proud.
True.
You're beautiful. You're actually really nice.
What do you mean?
You're nice.
I've lost weight and that.
Yeah.
Dang. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, mate.
You're funny. What are you doing?
I'm documenting you.
What?
These are my kids.
Have a potential suspect. The victim's husband, Joaquin Vincent. Joaquin said he was not in Miami when Gerline was found dead. Now, Joaquin has just arrived at homicide for further questioning.
Oh, what's that?
Hey?
What's that for?
Chloe.
Chloe?
Yeah.
Fucking get rid of it.
Why?
That's a curse.
Oh,
It is. That's witchcraft. She's fucking mad about me. Remember?
she's really sad though.
She put that there because of me. I betcha.
No, him.
To you, it's a curse symbol.
No, here you go.
It's a curse symbol.
You know.
Isn't it?
Anyway. Yeah?
Yeah, thanks.
I'm bad.
You? Are you doing